Hey, have you ever heard that beards are dirtier than toilets? Or beards are dirtier than dogs? Well, those are completely false. I'm going to tell you guys why in this video. Those just are not true whatsoever. But a quick introduction, my name is Dan C. Bearded. I am coming to you from the Volt Lifeproof Grooming's YouTube channel today, which is made up of this great company and a bunch of different content creators. Check it out, subscribe if you're not. You're gonna find stuff on beards, on men's style, on men's lifestyle and health overall. I promise you're gonna find something that is going to benefit you and entertain you for the day. So let's dive into this, right? And if you haven't, please hit that thumbs up on the video. There have been some just absolutely flawed and garbage studies over the years that people have just regurgitated without knowing what they're saying. There was a small study that had like 10 people and they studied their beards and they're like, oh my gosh, they have all these different kinds of bacterias in there. And there was another one, they said this was as bad as dogs or this was as bad as toilet seats. Well, listen. Those studies took absolutely terrible small sample sizes. And of course, if you don't wash your beard, if you don't use beard products, if you are not someone who is attentive to your hygiene, it's probably not going to be the cleanest thing in the world. But I guarantee if you tested their head hair, if you tested their arms or any other part of their body, it's going to be just as bad. Your beard doesn't get to decide, ooh, I'm gonna grab this bacteria, and your head hair is like, not today. If you're dirty, if you're in these situations and you're not cleansing properly, everything is going to be dirty. This is no different than female long head hair. This is no different than anything that's going around and grabbing stuff out of the atmosphere. It's just not true. We could borderline say it is propaganda and things that are used to give a bad stereotype or stigma to beards, when for me, the beards that I know, wash daily. They're attentive, they care about it. It's something that means a lot to them. And I would say that their beard is more clean and has better hygiene than most people's head hair, their arms, their toilets, their cell phone cases, you name it. There's so many other dirty things out there. My beard, definitely not one of them. Have you guys heard this before? Drop a comment down below. What about you? Do you take pride in your hygiene? Is there a comment that you really have resonating in your head that you want to get out about this? This is the spot to do that. I would love to be able to read your comments, help out with your questions, and really just kind of give back to this community. I appreciate you guys watching today. Go on and check out these other videos that they have. This channel is going to take off and it's going to help a lot of people. We appreciate you guys watching. Have a fantastic day.